Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Nissan Altima 2007 to 2012? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2007 to 2012 Nissan Altima distributes power to critical systems like the engine control unit, ECU, cooling fans, headlights, ABS, and ignition. It safeguards these components by preventing electrical overloads and ensuring efficient power delivery under the hood. The fusible link block in the 2007 to 2012 Nissan Altima protects major circuits like the starter, alternator, and battery. It prevents electrical damage by breaking the connection during high current flow. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2007 to 2012 Nissan Altima manages and protects key interior electrical functions such as power windows, mirrors, audio system, interior lights, and climate controls. It ensures reliable operation by preventing electrical overloads and maintaining stable power distribution throughout the cabin. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.